Last year's champion. Obsolete. They're best in class from 6 months ago. A pretender. Because right now, sitting in our testing yard, are machines that rewrite the rules. We pushed them beyond their limits, into the heart of the toughest timber we could find, and what we discovered will change how you cut forever. One of them didn't just beat the competition, it humiliated it. But which one? And what fatal flaw did we find in a fan-favorite brand? The answers, and the only links you'll need, are ahead. Don't touch that buy button until the end. Number 1. Husqvarna Power Axe 350i. Put the power in your hands with the Husqvarna Power Axe 350i cordless electric chainsaw. A perfect addition to your tree cutting equipment, this 18-inch chainsaw is ideal for pruning branches and felling trees. This chainsaw battery-powered model delivers superior cutting power than comparable gas chainsaws, and it features a lighter-weight design that's easy to maneuver. Equipped with the Husqvarna X-Cut chain, these cordless chainsaws offer top-of-their-line performance and sharpness that lasts. The toolless chain tensioning system on this Husqvarna battery chainsaw makes slack adjustments a breeze, and the chain brake features an indicator light that illuminates if the brake is engaged. Experience less fatigue while using this battery-operated chainsaw that's 10% lighter than comparable saws. This electric chainsaw cordless model has an efficient, durable brushless motor with boost mode to provide 25% more power when you need it. Number 2. Husqvarna 130 gas-powered chainsaw. The Husqvarna 130 16-inch chainsaw is designed for both novice and experienced users, making it an ideal choice for various home and garden tasks, such as trimming, pruning, and cutting firewood. Its user-friendly features contribute to its appeal, as it is not only easy to start but also comfortable to handle for extended periods of use. The recommended bar lengths for this chainsaw range from a minimum of 14 inches to a maximum of 16 inches, providing versatility for different cutting applications. One of the standout features of the Husqvarna 130 is its effortless startup mechanism. Equipped with a fuel pump and a combined choke-stop control, the chainsaw simplifies the starting process and minimizes the chances of engine flooding, which can be a common issue with two-stroke engines. Additionally, safety is prioritized with the inclusion of an inertia-activated chain brake, which greatly reduces injury risks associated with kickback, a phenomenon where the chainsaw can abruptly move back towards the operator during a cut. Number 3. Echo DCS 5000 battery rear handle chainsaw. This product is battery-powered, providing convenience and portability for various tasks without the need for a direct power source. Horsepower: the unit boasts a robust performance with a power output of 3.6 horsepower, making it suitable for heavy-duty applications. Item weight: weighing 100 pounds, this product is substantial, indicating durability and robust construction, though it may require careful handling. Number 4. Echo 14 inches. 34.4 cubic centimeters gas 2-stroke. The Echo 14 inches. 34.4 cubic centimeters gas 2-stroke rear handle chainsaw, model CS 3410-14, is designed for efficient and powerful cutting tasks. It features a 14-inch bar length that's ideal for trimming branches, cutting firewood, and handling various outdoor projects. The 34.4 cubic centimeters engine utilizes a gas-powered 2-stroke design, delivering robust performance with a good power-to-weight ratio, making it easier to maneuver during use. This ensures that the chain is continuously lubricated during operation, reducing friction and wear for prolonged chain life. Number 5. Stihl GTA 26 Wood Cutter. Wear safety glasses and gloves to protect your eyes and hands from potential hazards. Safety glasses will shield your eyes from flying debris, while gloves provide grip and protect against sharp edges or materials. It is crucial to keep bystanders at a safe distance to prevent accidents and ensure a clear workspace. This helps to minimize distractions and reduces the risk of injuries to those not involved in the operation. Avoid operating tools or machines on wet or slippery surfaces, as these conditions greatly increase the risk of slips and falls. Always ensure the work area is dry and free from any hazards before beginning your tasks. Make sure to keep your hands and feet away from the cutting area at all times. This is essential to prevent accidental injuries and maintain focus on the work being performed. And there you have it. The future of cutting, laid bare. The champion is clear, but the choice is yours. Remember, all the links to buy the top performers, plus the exact safety gear and maintenance kits we trust, are in the description below. My team and I spent hundreds of hours on this. If it saved you time and money, pay it back. Hit that like button hard. Share this with your buddy who's still struggling with an old clunker. And subscribe. Because next, we're taking the winner and pitting it against a legend, in a test that will create sparks you can see from space. See you then.